So, hi Chris, how are you doing?
Very well, how are you?
Fantastic, thank you. So, you guys from the Flint Group, tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do for Flint Group?
So my name's Chris Price, I'm the Technical Manager UK and Ireland of Flint Group Narrow Web. We're a sister division of Xeikon, as you can see, Flint Digital. Flint have bought Xeikon a few years ago, and we work for Flint Group, the packaging division.
So, actually, the Flint Group, you're the owners of Xeikon for that matter?
Yeah, that's correct.
So, and I was always curious, being the owner group of a digital printing manufacturer, do you guys produce special magic products that are unique for the Xeikon machines, for example?
Yes, we develop special varnishes for not just Xeikon, but for all printing, digital printing processes, as well as the flexo and screen apply processes. So yes, we try and work very closely with Xeikon for any varnishes that are specific to their needs.
Okay. Obviously, for other printing equipment, even the analog equipment or other digital equipments, they often need you hear a lot about pre-coating. So I'm guessing you also have special products for that application?
We do. We supply primers. I don't think Xeikon inks necessarily need too much of a primer coating on top of substrates, but it's more the substrate themselves. Some difficult substrates would need priming to get the best use of analog or digital ink on top. Get good adhesion or just get good lay.
Right. So you being a technical manager, you told me when we were talking earlier, what is actually your input in new developments of products?
So Flint Group Narrow Web in Europe is based in Sweden, in Trelleborg. I work in UK and Ireland, as I said. But in Trelleborg we manufacture and develop, as I said, as customer needs, or where there's a gap in the market, or where we got co-partners who are asking us to work together on special projects where there are new developments coming out. So as well as varnishes for digital overprinting, we're doing a lot of work at the moment on LED curing varnishes as well, and obviously sustainability is the new buzzword, so there's lots of solutions coming up over the next couple of years, hopefully to improve the recyclability of packaging printed from either digital or conventional means.
Right, so maybe last question here, as you were saying, you're also into the inks, obviously, coatings and all of that stuff. So a lot of buzz, as you said, is sustainability, but a lot of people are worried about de-inking, for example, of materials. What is Flint take on that?
So there are two streams, if you want to put it that way. There's one which will be the ink stays on the label. So we've developed specific varnishes to make sure that the inks do not come off the label during the wash-off process. But there are also streams that we're de-inking, and therefore the recycling of the substrate, especially PET shrink sleeves, is important. So we're also working on, should we say, solutions to aid that de-inkability and therefore maximise the recyclability of the plastic, whether it's the container or the label itself.
Okay, so trying to get to, let's say, kind of a closed loop environment, trying to get to the cradle-to-cradle principle, maybe to, well, hopefully recycle as much as possible from the end product.
Exactly. So different countries, different regions have different legislation. So at the moment it's not 100% clear which way, for example, Europe is going compared to America, but we're trying to come up with solutions to cover whichever way the European Commission goes and decides to go. So that's the solutions we're testing at the moment and hopefully bring to market very, very soon.
Okay, so it's something to keep track of, and we'll be following you along the way to see where it all goes. So thank you very much, Chris, for your time.
No problem.
And have a great day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.